Welcome guys, today I will show you how to use app lock with Fingerprint on your POCO F8 Pro. Before we start, you will need to add Fingerprint in the system. So open the Settings app, go down, choose Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock chapter, then tap on the Fingerprint Unlock tab, set up the basic screen lock method, for example pattern. Got it. And now draw some pattern, redraw it and confirm. Then record your fingerprint. Follow tips on the screen to make this process successfully. Like here. Let's click done. Now the fingerprint is ready to use on our device. After, back to the wall settings list and go to the apps chapter. Here choose app lock icon, like here. Now make sure that password type is screen lock, like on the screen, and tap on turn on. Accept the process by entering your lock screen method and hit use app lock. In the end, tap on this settings icon and at the bottom in the unlock method section next to the fingerprint unlock, move this toggle. Confirm the process and that's it. Now let's try. I know that YouTube is locked, so I want to try unlock it with fingerprint. Tap on it, and as you can see, I need to put my finger on the screen to unlock the YouTube. So now you know how to unlock your locked apps with fingerprint on your POCO F8 Pro. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and goodbye.